Welcome to eduDose. Today we'll demystify qualification, validation, and technology transfer, the processes that ensure every medicine is safe, effective, and consistent. Qualification proves your tools are fit for purpose. We follow 4 key steps. Design qualification checks. Equipment design meets needs. Installation qualification confirms correct setup. Operational qualification tests if systems work correctly across intended ranges. Performance qualification demonstrates the system works in real production, delivering quality every time. While qualification focuses on equipment, validation focuses on the process. It's data-backed proof that manufacturing consistently produces medicines meeting specifications. We validate through prospective testing before launch, concurrent monitoring during production, and continuous process verification throughout the product lifecycle. Why invest in qualification and validation? Patient safety, regulatory compliance with FDA and EMA, consistent product quality, and operational efficiency. These processes build trust among patients, healthcare providers, and regulators worldwide. Technology transfer moves manufacturing processes between locations. The receiving site must qualify equipment and validate processes to match original quality standards. During COVID-19, vaccine manufacturers successfully transferred production globally. Robust qualification and validation ensured millions of safe, effective doses reached patients worldwide. Qualification and validation follow a continuous life cycle. Plan scope and criteria, execute testing, document results, and maintain validated states through ongoing reviews. Qualification, validation, and technology transfer form the backbone of pharmaceutical quality assurance. They protect patients and uphold product integrity worldwide. This was your eduDose. Keep learning, keep innovating. Case study. In 2012, a leading pharmaceutical company implemented rigorous qualification and validation protocols to launch a new insulin production facility in India. By following global standards, they ensured every batch met strict quality and safety requirements, resulting in reliable, life-saving medicine for millions of patients.
If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, like, and share it with others who'd benefit. See you in the next video.